Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits.
This video explains a model answer for a CELPIP Task 1 email. Feel free to pause here if you want more time to read the full text before we begin the analysis. This email successfully completes all three required tasks. It provides the reason for writing by stating, "I am writing to inquire about becoming a new member." It then explains the website problem, mentioning that an error message appeared. Finally, it asks about other options, like how to sign up in person at the community center. The email is well organized. It starts with a formal greeting, "Dear Community Center Manager," which is appropriate for this situation. The body of the email uses two paragraphs to clearly separate the problem from the questions. The tone is polite and respectful throughout the entire message, which is very important when writing to someone in a position of authority. Notice the useful linking words that connect the ideas. Words like "firstly," "however," and "also" make the email easy to follow. The writer also includes two excellent stretch words, "alternative," which means another choice, and "appreciate," a more formal way to say thank you. For a high score on Task 1, always state your main purpose in the first one or two sentences. This immediately tells the reader why you are writing. It makes your email clear and professional from the very beginning. Let's look at this strong response for option A. You can pause the video now to read the full text if you would like more time. This answer clearly states a preference in the first sentence. Building a new modern children's playground is the better choice. It supports this choice with two well-explained reasons. The first reason is that a playground is important for children's health and social development. The second reason is that a new playground makes the city more attractive to families. This shows the writer can develop and organize their ideas effectively. The structure is excellent for a Task 2 response. It has a clear introduction, two separate body paragraphs for each main point, and a short concluding sentence. The tone is persuasive and polite, which is perfect for a public survey. The writer uses simple linking words like firstly and in addition to guide the reader through the arguments. There are also two great stretch words. The word essential means something is completely necessary, which makes the argument stronger. The word vibrant is a descriptive word that means full of energy and life. A great tip for Task 2 is to compare the two options briefly. As this writer did, saying why your choice is better than the other option makes your argument more convincing. Now, we will analyze the model answer for option B if you need more time to review the response. Please feel free to pause the video here. This response is effective because it immediately declares its choice in the opening sentence. It clearly states, I am writing to support the installation of a new outdoor gym for adults. The writer then gives two strong reasons. The first reason focuses on making exercise free and available to everyone. The second reason explains that a gym would be used by a wider group of people, from teenagers to seniors. The organization of the answer is very logical. It has an introduction stating the choice, a body paragraph for each supporting reason, and a concluding sentence that summarizes the main point. The tone is confident and persuasive, which is appropriate for this task. Notice the helpful linking words like, the main reason is, and, furthermore, that create a smooth flow. This response also includes two effective stretch words. Accessible means that something is easy for people to get or use, which is a key part of the argument. Promotes is a strong verb that means to support or encourage something, like a healthy lifestyle. To improve your own response, try to think about the whole community, not just one group. This writer made a strong argument by explaining how the gym helps many different people.